Hello guys, I seemed, assuming I played with my slime for a bit, I still have some on me. There's my slime. Yeah. So I've had a bath. That's why my hair's wet and I'm in green pyjamas. And my pets, I'll show ya. They're in here, Sparkle and Spike. I can't get them out because they want to stay in there, and yeah. I'll just show you how I play with my slime shell then. Like a normal person would do. I'm bringing this to school tomorrow. I want to know what week it is tomorrow, so see if it's PE Monday or not. So basically, I'm full of slime. And then I'll just try and get off for you guys. That's the bottom of it. That's the bottom of my slime, sparkly into it. Well, it's glittering stars. This is Milky Way slime, but it's a stretchy slime. But I named it Milky Way because it's like milky, it's like milk, and it's sparkly, like normal. So basically, I hope this video is really good because I'm not really good at videos, and this is my 4th video so far on YouTube. So yeah. I miss life, and I can't wait to go to school tomorrow. There's my bun with the wet hair because I had a bath before I had my food. So basically, this video is all I can do right now because I'm all of them slime, and you can tell because I'm bringing my slime to school tomorrow, and it's the best. These are the holes. This is their